Welcome to this short video on channels in Occamise. In this video I'm going to explain what a channel is and how you can use them and the different ones that are available in Occamise. So channels are ways for users to communicate with agents. And a user can be a system or an actual human, or potentially even another AI agent if you want. The different types of channels that we support. So we have webchat, webhook. Webhook is where you get to you can post. You can do an HTTP post request to an endpoint within Occamise, and that endpoint will feed a message to an agent who then needs to execute an action. We have SMS, conversational SMS, voicemail, which is just a way for you to greet the caller and prompt them to leave a message, and you can do that through a recording or through text-to-speech. They leave a message, and the transcription of that message is then given to the agent that's associated with the channel, and the agent from there can do whatever it needs to do. For example, it might know the answer to the question left in the voicemail, and it might send an SMS to the user and say, "Hey, I can help you with that. The answer is blah." You can really do amazing things with this voicemail channel, just to enhance general voicemail. And then, of course, we have conversational voice, which you can do through traditional PSTN network or through SIP. And the SIP voice comes with a WebRTC option as well, which means you can enable a channel on a website or anywhere that a user can click on, and then they can just talk directly through their microphone on their PC or on their browser. And then we have Facebook Messenger to round it out. You can ignore these two for now. And Facebook Messenger is, as you can imagine. Okay, so once you've created your channel, channel generally looks like this. This is the web chat channel. The web chat channel has probably got more settings than any of our channels. But you'll find that for every channel, there'll be some settings that go with that channel. So imagine the webhook channel, you're going to have the address of the webhook and some instructions. In this case, it's for a web chat channel. We have the URL for the web chat, we have a QR code, and we have some snippets of code that you can use to embed the web chat within your website. Channels provide the agent some context as well about who the user is, where they are, and so on. So, for example, you might have two web chat channels for an agent. One, you describe in this context that the user is on the website, and then the other, you could say the user has scanned the QR code on the back of my business card. The agent then has completely different sort of context for that conversation. One is someone that's possibly met, the staff member whose QR code they scanned, and so they can obviously direct a conversation differently to just a member of the public on a website. Channels can, some channels are just public by nature, but some channels can be more private, such as web chat. So you can make channels only available to authenticated users of an Occamise account, or the Occamise account, of course. Show on Launchpad. I'll turn that on for this one, and you'll see what that one does once I hit save. But effectively, it introduces a new menu item on the left called the Launchpad, and from there you can easily access different agents for different capabilities. So I'll hit save on that just so you see what that looks like. That's really the majority of the information I wanted to relay in this video, just to introduce you to the concept of channels and how you use them. Let's just flick over, I'll just refresh and show you this Launchpad quickly. So Launchpad's just a really easy way for you to jump into conversations. So with this one, on our demo environment here, you can see we've got different agents that have different roles and different sort of objectives, and you can easily jump in and have conversations with them. Thanks.